Hi everyone, JC here. I know it's been a while, but it's good to be back. Have you ever wanted to get the brand new phone experience for 1/8 the price of the new phone? The iPhone 11 Pro Max smart battery case will help give you that brand new phone experience. The retail price of this case is $129, but you can sometimes find it on sale for $79 during Best Buy sales or other sales. I will do an unboxing and a review right after this. Welcome back. Now, some power users want extra power, and this case will help provide that. This case was released in November of 2019. It comes in white, black, and pink sand. Now let's get to the unboxing. Just pull the tab and pull up. So let's see what this case looks like. So inside the case is some instructions on how to put the iPhone on. The case itself has a microfiber lining that helps protect the iPhone, and the outside has a silky, soft-touch silicone exterior. It has holes for the microphones and speaker, as well as the lightning cable connector. It has a dedicated camera button that will allow you to take photos quickly. Just long press the button and the camera app will pop up. Press it again and you can take your picture. It can wirelessly charge using 3 certified chargers and can also fast charge if you have a fast charge cable. The iPhone 11 Pro Max already had amazing battery life. In fact, it had the best battery life of any iPhone release, including the iPhone 12 Pro Max. And the new battery case will provide up to 50% extra phone life, or about 10 extra hours of playback. This is possible because there are two 1430 milliamp hour battery cells inside of the iPhone 11 Pro Max version of the smart battery case. Now let's attach the case to this iPhone 11 Pro Max that I have. Okay. Okay. With the smart battery case attached to an iPhone, the iPhone will drain the case first before using the built-in battery. Unfortunately, this is automatic and can't be shut off. The battery life of the case can be viewed on the lock screen when placed on a charger or in the Today view of the notification center. The iPhone will always charge before the case when charging the two together. This case is a great way to extend the life of your iPhone 11 Pro Max. It adds 50% additional battery life, but it does make the phone about 50% heavier. The fact that it is an Apple branded case means that the battery case seamlessly interacts with the phone, so you don't need to worry about damaging the internal battery. I would definitely recommend it if you have an iPhone 11 Pro Max and you don't want to buy the upcoming iPhone 13. Thanks for watching. If you like this short video, please comment, like, and subscribe. This is JC Tech and Finance signing off.